So this is a print test from Makers Muse that I saw, and it was a video about kind of some of the 3D prints he really likes. So I thought I'd give this a go. It's supposed to test the kind of accuracy of the print. And I'm showing this as kind of ask questions, I guess. Now the first one, the very first one, the 0.5 distance, I guess, it was freely moving as soon as it came off the print bed. The 0.4 needed a little bit of a snap to get it moving, but it did come pretty easily. The 3, I did actually manage to get it to eventually move, but you might be able to see, if I move this, it does kind of go around, but what happened is generally it was all separated, it was all fine around this edge, but it was just this very edge here, and you can see where it's torn off. The very edge slice was attached to this part, and I think it's because if you look at the wall next to it, see that last kind of like, I don't know, 5-10 slices are kind of shifted over to the right hand side. So the whole top part for just this bit has been shifted over, so it should look like this kind of nice, I mean this is probably a good example, nice straight line. But because it's shifted over, this part got stuck. Now the 0.2, it wouldn't move originally, but I managed to free the cog, I guess, the piece. So that does go all the way around quite happily. The 0.5 doesn't look like there's 0.15 rather doesn't look like there's any freedom in there. It doesn't look attached here, but I'm pretty sure on the side of this wall this is where it's attached here. So I guess there's two questions here. One is, how are there any ideas on how I should be able to tune this so that this doesn't get attached? Is it because I did this as a 0.15 quality print using the Prusa slicer, and this was printed on a Prusa MK3S or MK3S plus, newly built. Is it because the like the nozzle's too thick, or is that normal, or should I be going to finer detail? And really, more importantly, this kind of shifting. The printer itself is on the floor, and I've got the rubber feet on there. I don't think there's any movement. I mean, possibly when we go up and down the stairs, it kind of vibrates through to the room. What could cause this kind of thing? I mean, the wheel itself, the printer wheel, is not kind of tangled or anything. It's got pretty good movement. Generally, I've not had any problems, but I have seen places where I've done prints and there's this kind of shift on the slices. So just really looking for any advice and any tips on how to improve the initial quality of the print. So thanks.